Hi everyone and welcome. If this is your first time, my name is Anna and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of videos. And if you've been here before, then hi again. Nice to have you back. So this video is about 8 ways to look expensive, like classy. What I mean is like look good and like elevate the way you look and look very put together. Now, I'm not going to be talking about expensive things. I'm not going to be telling you to go buy a $6,000 bag or $800 shoes. This video is not about that. This is, on a budget. These are tangible things that you can, buy, have in your house already, that you can wear. Basically, just ideas to elevate your look, to make you feel better, make you look better, and look classy and elegant, sophisticated, and expensive. So if you are interested in this, please keep watching.
It's expensive to be made.
The number one way to look expensive or classy is the trench jacket or trench coat. So trench coats, there's just something about the structure. They're double-breasted buttons. They usually tie up on the waist, and they just look very professional and like just put together. If you work in a professional environment, I suggest that trench coats are a really good option for that type of environment. So I personally have 2 of them. I have a blue one and I have a light purple one. I don't buy the regular classic colors, or that like nude beige color, like a beige. And I don't like that color personally because it just matches too much with my skin and I just look washed out. But if that color suits you, I recommend it because it's nice. It's just not for me. I feel like the trench coats look very classy, very elegant, very professional, and very expensive. If you don't agree with me, write down below in the comments. I want to hear from you. My number 2 is fur. Let's talk about faux fur, which is fake fur. So there's something about fur that just makes you look expensive instantly. So you can have fur on like the collars of your coat. I have one in black, and I'll show you pictures. You can have fur on your boots. You can have fur on scarves. I have one here. So see, there's just something about it that it just instantly makes me look expensive. So yeah, so I recommend something with fur. Try it out. Fur. Faux fur. It just looks like I'm a queen. My number 3 is a very simple one, and you should have in your closet already. It's a small shoulder bag. It's kind of like the crossbody ones, but not crossing it. So I have an example here. So basically it's long straps, right? Small. Semi-small, and there's just something about when you put it on your shoulder and keep it on the side, it just makes you look very sophisticated. So when you do the crossbody, then that just makes it more casual. So which is not bad. I use crossbodies all the time, but I feel like to elevate your look, to look more expensive, keep it on the side. That one is easy. That's it. That's all I have to say about that. Just small bags on the side. Number 4, blazers. So blazers not only have to be, for working. There are casual blazers out there that you can style them with jeans, with skirts, whatever, dresses. There's the longer blazers. There are belted blazers. There's so many out there. So yeah, just choose which one looks best on you. There's something about the structure, with the shoulders, and usually they have pads on the shoulders, so that kind of makes you look more sophisticated. So yeah, think about blazers. Another easy one. This is full of just easy stuff. My number 5 is fabrics. So be mindful of the fabrics, because some fabrics look cheaper than others. Sometimes it can be a cheap outfit and it looks expensive. Is because of the fabric. So there are like 4 fabrics that typically look cheap, and it's acrylic, rayon, what's the other one? Polyester and nylon. For example, I have one here. Let's see if you can guess what fabric this is. I don't know how well you can see. but this shirt looks very cheap. And this is from New York and Company. This is 100% polyester. Here's my point. Point proven. My number 6 are satchel bags. So satchel bags are the ones that you can carry like here on your arm, or that you can, they usually have a strap where you can put it on your shoulders too, but let's focus on the one you can carry here or in your hand. So basically I have an example here. So this one, right, I can carry it like this, and I'll show you pictures of me carrying another bag. So there's something about when you carry your bag like this, it just looks so chic and you just look expensive. And even when you carry it, you know, next to your body down here, it also looks good. So satchel bags are a good way to make you look a little bit more expensive. Even if you're not dressed that great, you can still throw on like a trench coat and a bag and you look super sophisticated. My number 7 is stick to basics. Like I had the 5 basic boots that you should have video. You can check that one out. What I mean now is, you know, basic clothing. Stick to basic, not too flashy, not too trendy. I'm not saying stay away from those. I'm just saying, you know, have that in mind. So like not too much jewelry, not too matchy, but not too many colors. You know, just look at yourself in the mirror before you leave and ask yourself those questions. And, you know, just keep it simple, keep it basic, because you cannot mess up by being basic. You could mess up easily when you try to just do too much. My number 8 is makeup. Now I know a lot of people do not use makeup. I'm not one of those people. I always have makeup on, but you know, if you want to look put together a certain day, look classy, elevated, sophisticated, put some makeup on. Even if it's, you know, more natural, like BB cream, which is a little bit more natural than foundation, a little bit of mascara, a little bit of blush, a tinted moisturizer, you know, that'll elevate your look, because you can wear $1,000 outfit and not wear any makeup and it just looks like you just rolled out of bed, and it just looks like cheap. Your look is gonna look cheap. So just make the effort to do your face a little bit. You know, obviously depending on the occasion, if it's a party, if it's daytime, if it's going to work, you know, just work on your face with the look like it's part of the outfit. Also, I'm thinking about doing a part 2 to this video. So basically it would be things to avoid. How would I say that? I don't have the exact title yet, but like avoid looking cheap, something like that. So comment below if you are interested in that. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe so you won't miss a beat. You won't miss any of my videos. I usually post about every week. Sometimes I'm so busy, I do it every 2 weeks, but mainly every week. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment anything you want down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.